Greetings of the day. Since the online classes are going to start for PUC1 students, you should be aware of how to access the Google Classroom and Google Meet to attend online classes which will be commenced from today. First of all, you should have Google account. I think all of you got the institute mail ID and that will be enough to access the same. So you need to open the web browser. To access Google Classroom. Okay, there you can type gmail.com. Okay, gmail.com. Please observe the following steps to access Google Classroom without any confusion. And here you can type your mail ID which will be circulated to you. And here I have taken a sample mail ID and RR 209999 @rgukt rkv.ac.in. Enter. Okay. And you have to type your password also. Okay. So in mail ID place, you enter your mail ID which is supplied to you, and I think most of you are using your mail ID to access your mail account, right? So use that mail ID to access Google Classroom. Okay, so I entered my password. Okay, I successfully log into my mail account, and here you can see the invitation to join in classroom from your HOD IT, and you can click this mail. There you can find the join option to join in the classroom. Okay, so HOD sent a mail to join this particular class, and if you click on join, you will be directed to join in the F8 classroom. Okay, so be cautious in which classroom you are going to join. Okay, this is one way, and there is another way to go to here, and you can click the options. There you can find many applications of Google, and we need to access Google Classroom, so that we must scroll down. Okay, and you can find Classroom app here, application, and click on this application. You will be directed to the next new window, okay, or tab. So this is already logged in this account, and I'll say continue and continue. So pick your role here. If you are a student, you should click on student. If you are a teacher, no, this option will not be applied to you, and you please click on student. Okay, so since I have got invitation from my HOD, sorry, your HOD, so HOD to join F8 class, so F8 class will be displayed in this area. When I click on this F8 classroom, you will be directed to a place where you can find all the updates on classroom. Okay, to join in the meeting, you can find meet link top of the classroom page. So this is the classroom page, and you can see the meet link on top of page, and if you click on this meet link, you will be directed to the new tab to join in the meeting. So you no need to worry about this option. You just dismiss this option, and you can say allow to access camera and mic. Okay, So here it asks us to activate these two options. So you must say that allow mic and video. So before going to join in the meeting, you should turn off your camera and mic also. Okay, and then click on join now. Okay, so if you click on join now, you will be allowed to join in the meeting. There you can see the many options, like you can see the group of people here, and if you want to communicate with your teacher, or if you want to send any message, or if you want to raise any questions, you can type here like this: good morning sir or madam. And if you want to raise hand, you can click raise hand symbol here, so that the notification will be sent to your teacher, and he may ask you to speak out on clicking on your mic. So these are the options, and if you want to share your screen or something else, you can present by clicking here present option. So this will be uh, useful by your teacher. Okay, useful for your teacher. Okay, and if you want to close, or if you want to leave this meet, at the end of your lecture, or finishing your lecture or online class, you can leave the classroom. Okay, here leave the call, and you will be. So this is how you can access and attend an online classes. And all the best. Thank you very much.